Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Allow your body to relax with each breath. Know that this is a special time just for you. Don't forget to relax your shoulders. Feel the air gently entering and leaving your nose. Feel the weight of your body grounding into the floor. Observe the natural movement of your breath without trying to change it. Allow each exhale to help you release tension. Each time your mind drifts away, simply return to your breath. Place a gentle smile on your face while ensuring your jaw and lips remain relaxed. That's good, keep going. Take the time to welcome what is without judgment. Keep your back straight but not rigid. Gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Move your fingers and toes before opening your eyes. To all the souls on this earth, I send you a flow of love, light, and hope. May each heart find peace, healing, and the strength to overcome life's challenges. You are all precious, and every step you take matters. Together we create a world of kindness and compassion. Take care of yourselves and others, and know that you are surrounded by light and love at every moment. Thank yourself for taking this time for yourself. Take a moment to observe how you feel now. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You can also share it with others who might benefit. Until next time, keep practicing and remember you're doing great. Take care.